I'm James Spann. It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday the 23rd. A very windy and cool day today and pretty cold tomorrow morning for late April in Alabama. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the somewhat insane hour of 5 a.m. We'll start with the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Most everybody in the 40s this morning. Wow. That's the look at Greensboro Avenue downtown near the intersection of University Boulevard. There's the Clanton City Hall down in Chilton County, and how about the Fayette County Courthouse up in northwest Alabama? Goodness, look at the Eastern U.S. trough in the Western Ridge, high amplitude. And that means cold weather for the east, warm weather for the west. And around here, temperatures are in the 40s this morning. Birmingham 46. Those are at 5 o'clock. Now, tomorrow morning should be a little cooler as the winds will be dropping down. And around the nation, got 30s down to parts of Kentucky and West Virginia, extreme northeastern Tennessee. And I think we will see some 30s in some of the colder pockets of northeast Alabama around here tomorrow morning. Wow, look at that old nor'easter, 988 millibars on the Jersey Shore. Got a big snowstorm raging there through parts of western Pennsylvania, up into far western New York. Here's a watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings for that region. Freeze warnings for some of the folks up there as well. Definitely not feeling like a late April day for sure. Had a report of 6 inches of snow this morning near Ithaca, New York. Heavy, wet snow falling there. All right, this is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening at 6 or 7 o'clock. And I'm not sure we see that. This is showing 1 inch near the Tennessee border. I get the idea we'll be mostly dry through Friday, with some chance of rain returning over the weekend, mainly on Sunday, as you'll see in modeling here. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Still got that high amplitude pattern, western ridge, eastern trough. And for us, it will be a windy and cool day today with low 60s. Look at the 540 line down to Birmingham. And many parts of the state north of Birmingham will stay in the 50s all day today despite a sunny sky. Now, tomorrow, there's not a real big surface high right on top of us. I think there will be a little breeze that should prevent a widespread frost. Having said that, there could be a touch of light frost in some of the protected valleys, maybe of northeast Alabama, but this will not be a widespread issue. The NAM and the GFS are both showing 41, and we all know this is not a one-number place. We will see some 30s. So again, if you are in a colder valley of North Alabama, just be aware you might do mid to upper 30s with a little touch of light frost. I don't think it'll be a big problem. Then we warm up during the day with low 70s. Wednesday will be close to 80 as thickness values are coming up. Thursday got a cold front north of us, but I think that thing's going to run out of gas before reaching us. Low 80s are likely. And then Friday, we've got a deep surface low developing over Kansas, and that front to the north will be backing up and moving north as a warm front. So as you can see, I don't think it rains this week. I think we'll be dry through Friday, and Friday should be a warm day with low to mid 80s. And then Saturday, as we start the weekend, you can see troughing over the plains approaching. Down below that, the surface low is near St. Louis. And there could be a shower Saturday, but the better chance should be on Sunday. That's when the surface front comes in here. So small risk of a shower Saturday, a better chance of showers on Sunday. Maybe some thunder, but not a severe weather look. And by golly, it sure looks like we're going to make it through the entire month of April without one single tornado warning statewide. How about them apples? In a week from today on Monday, that looks good. Will be sunny and cooler with low 70s. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is May 8th. And again, we've got some troughing and energy north of us, and that's where most of the action is. And again, the good news, we see no sign of any severe weather issues here for the next 15 days, and we can celebrate that for sure. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock this evening. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.